Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone notifications not showing up. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open the settings right here. I'm going to go ahead and type here. If you don't see it, click the settings, and yep, from here you're going to go ahead and look for that app. So say for example, in our case, this will be Gmail. Once we see it, we can go ahead and click that one and then tap the notifications right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and allow the notifications. Now, this is very important. You're going to see how there are different alerts right here. So go ahead and choose which one you think is important for you. Banners specifically is very important. If, say, for example, you are using it, if you are on your lock screen, I want you to enable the lock screen here. Now for the banner style, set it temporary, it's fine. And once you're done, whenever there is any message coming into that particular application that you are experiencing issues, you should be able to see the notification here. So Gmail again is what we had used as an example. Now, another thing that I want you to check is I want you to scroll down here and then you're going to go ahead and look for the focus. Long press on that one, and then you have to ensure that the do not disturb is basically turned off. You can see them if they're turned on. If, say, for example, they're like that, there is a specific thing below it says on. Same thing for do not disturb. It should be like that. And yeah, again, those are like some of the ways that you can do it. Last thing is I want you to restart your phone and then see if the issue has been fixed. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to fix iPhone notifications if it's not showing up.